guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make the taskbar transparent, almost transparent. So without further ado, let's hop on to the video. So the easiest method, I'll start with the easiest method. The easiest method is go to settings, open personalization, or you just can right click here, then press this personalization, then the same thing will open. Then go to colors, then turn on transparency effect, so it is more transparent than usual. So that's the easiest method. So don't close these settings. So the next way is go to search, type regis editor, press yes. Then here I'll put the way to go here. You just need to open stuff. First, hey local machine, then software, then you must find Microsoft. Everything is in the alphabetical order. Then Windows, then current post, then Explorer, then Advanced you don't want to open it, just press Advanced, then this will open. So you must make a 32-bit value and type something here. I'll put it in the description below. First you must press rename, then type use OLED task bar, not that bar transparency. So make sure everything is correct. So I'll put that in the description below, so you just need to copy paste it. So after that, click away, then again press this, so this will pop up. So here it would be 0, so make it 1. Okay, then close this. Now open your settings and off transparency effect and on it back. So I off transparency effect, so I just need to on it back. So now it is more transparent than usual, that earlier time. So that's all you can do without without downloading a software. For you all, I'll give you another way to make these icons in the middle. I think I have shown you in a previous video. So right click on the taskbar, make sure this is unchecked. So see, unchecked. So then go tools, links, then here links, this thing will come. So drag it like this, then drag it to the middle. So then offshore title, then lock. So see, so I will remove this because when I install the next software, it will automatically come here. The next software is Taskbar X. You must purchase it, but if you go through my link, it would be free for you. So see, so then download this. So it is downloaded. Then click on this arrow, show in folder. So here folder came up. So this, then you just need to extract it somewhere. So right click on it, then extract here. So now it is extracted. So see, this mouse ones won't come. I downloaded this earlier, not today. So press on taskbar X. Then taskbar X configurator. Open it. See, the icons came to the middle, so now open it. Open taskbar configurator. So see, it opens. So this would be default. If you want transparent, you can press this, then apply. So see, it is transparent now. But I don't like it always transparent. You can make it blur also. See? But I like transparent gradient in 83%. See? I like it this way. So you can mess with this animation and all. I won't mess up with these. So if you want to uninstall it, just press this. So guys, that's all for today. So goodbye.